Hi, this is Garry Creath.
And I'm Jonathan Creath with Creath Partners of Cooper Sotheby's International Realty.
And we are here to take a look at this very unique home here in Lakeway and to actually offer you an exclusive tour as well. And Jonathan, so what I'd love to do is find out from you, share with everybody here, what are some of the coolest features about this house? What makes it unique?
One of the biggest aspects to this area is you only have a handful of single-story properties here in the Lakeway community. Also, this property sits on almost half an acre. You've got a lot of land, a lot of elbow room to enjoy all the oaks the property has.
We're also very close to the Lakeway private airport.
Correct.
Which is right down the road. So if you own an airplane or you want to, you're right down the road, walking distance actually, from the airport.
And a good point, we're also a few minutes from 4 private clubs. So you have golf like you wouldn't believe. You have a private tennis courts, gym, etc.
What is your favorite interior feature?
This kitchen really stands out. First you see the exposed brick, and then as you enter you kind of have just a farmhouse feel, and then a southern country development throughout the kitchen.
I love this. This is a nice spacious kitchen. Again, single-story home, very unique in this neighborhood. Almost half an acre, and it's right here in the most beautiful part of Lakeway, right next to the airport and 3 different golf clubs.
Lido St is in the heart of Lakeway, which is wonderful to get access wherever you need to go.
Awesome. Well, take a look at the rest of the home here through the videos and photos that we have. And if you'd like to schedule a private tour to come see this house, all you need to do is click below and schedule your tour.